Hello and welcome to AF 24/7. Today we are with someone who believes that we should give our dreams a chance to grow and grow with them. Let me introduce Miss Richa Mehta, an actress, a model, and an event curator. Welcome, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
How are you feeling today?
Oh, good, great. Early start to the morning.
How do you balance these different roles while managing creativity and energy?
I think it comes with my name, I feel. Because everybody says that जादुई चीज़ें जो होती हैं वो रिचा के नाम से आती है because we have so many inspirations who have been named Richa before me, of course, and they've been doing wonderful in their life. So I don't know, maybe the stars are such, and the remaining thing I can talk about is not the luck but the hard work. I have been coping up. I plan my day early. I make sure that whatever comes my way, I put a tick. And at the end, when you sleep in the night, you should be sorted. You should feel that you have achieved something. And not on a monthly or yearly basis, but every day there should be one achievement which you should sleep with. That's
Gives
what
you
I
a
do.
sense of fulfillment, I think.
Absolutely. No doubt about that.
Can you share a defining moment in your career that has shaped you as who you are?
I feel that my switch and the risk taking ability from finance to fashion has really made my life. Of course, being a Delhi University topper, doing my MBA in finance, I was the only student who got placed in Ernst and Young, one of the leading MNCs. To in 2018, switching from finance to fashion, to signing my first TV ad, to signing my first designer shoot. My wrist, हम सबको अंदर से एक आवाज़ आती है कि अब नहीं तो कभी नहीं. शायद वो जो आवाज़ थी और मैंने सुन ली, thankfully, तो it really changed my life.
What's one misconception people have about what you do?
That she comes from a business class family, so she already has everything. But through your medium, I would like to state that I have made my ways. So from this time I started earning, I made sure whatever assets I would like to have. Trust me, I'm saying it through your platform. I've also said it in one or two more platforms. I made my ways through achieving that. It's not luck, it's not a khandani thing which I am carrying with me. It's something which I have worked really, really hard in terms of standing towards it. The people who used to say, "Arey, ye to bachchi hai, abhi hai," you know how things change in acting industry. You know how things change in the fashion fraternity. "Arey, ye to bachchi hai, abhi aayi hai," or you know she'll shade away. But I'm still 5 years down the line. I'm still here, achieving and thinking of another milestone coming after one after another. I have many projects on my way. So all through hard work. It's not sure. No, सबका अलग अपना होता है. But I feel that when you combine your hard work with good luck or luck, it really makes things achievable, and you are very near to your milestone.
That is so true. Generational wealth will take you so far. It's your hard work that brings you to a point.
डुबा भी तो सकते हो
सही बात
और
है.
उभार भी सकते हो.
What was that one point in your life where you were disappointed and you wanted, if you could go back in time, you would change that?
I don't think there is any disappointment. Everything was choosing A or B, and if I chose A, I'm happy with it. If I chose B, I'm happy with it. I don't feel that there is anything which is there in my mind which is termed as disappointment. Of course, there are bad days and good days. I cherish good days, and I think and work upon my bad days. There's no disappointment.
What is one thing you feel that people should know about your industry before entering it?
One thing which I feel is do your hard work, do your homework first. Hard work will come later when you step into it. Do your homework. ये नहीं सोचो कि रात को कि मैं सुबह उठ के एक्टर बन जाऊंगा या मैं सुबह उठ के रैम्प वॉक करना शुरू कर दूंगा. घर पे मेरे को एक दो ने कॉम्प्लीमेंट दे दिया कि अरे तू तो रैम्प वॉक कर सकती है तो कर लोगे. It's very difficult. I still remember the difficult day of my life was I had 102 fever. I was there for a news channel conclave. I was walking the ramp for 12 designers here in Delhi itself. I had fever in the morning. I could sense few pimples on my face. I didn't know what was wrong. I didn't know that what I am leading to, but the call time was 6 a.m. and I could see the pimples increasing on my face. मेरे को लगा पता नहीं कोई एलर्जी हो रही है मेकअप से, because I was doing shoots back to back, leading to I saturated. I was aloof because I had my entire thing in place during those conclave. To having chicken pox as
Oh my God.
as we approached towards the night, and me calling my mom कि मुझे pimples increase हो रहे हैं. तो I said कहीं chicken pox तो नहीं है. She like हाँ तेरे को chicken pox बचपन में नहीं हुआ है तो हो सकता है. So I was shivering, but still I completed my shoot. I completed all my shows, and I think that's what make a person strong, and I was able to do that.
What
So
was
I
going
think I'm
through
easy.
your head at that time while you were so?
करना है तो करना है.
Oh.
Commitment comes first. Commitment has to be there. So करना है तो करना है.
What trends do you see emerging in modeling, acting, and event?
I think everybody knows that AI is taking over. For the influencers who are getting so happy, chalo acha hai, and I have got like okay type good fan following on social media. So the events which I attend, and I see influencers and everybody getting very happy about it, but slowly and gradually they're gonna take over, and it's everywhere. Even my stream, they'll take over. It's very easy to make a AI model walk the ramp. It's very easy to have an endorsement through a AI model because there's no tantrums. There is no time call late आ रहे हैं, आए ही नहीं, कुछ नहीं tantrums. It's you can make with the ease of your computer or laptop, and you are through it. So AI is shaping everything when it comes to all the spheres you talk about, and that's the change which we are happy or not, it's coming.
Do you think we can sidestep it?
No, we cannot. That's the way our future is leading, and it's good in lot of ways, but and in terms of human, I feel that it's gonna replace.
So what's next for you now?
I have few projects, which of course I cannot name them right now, but then I really hope that 2025 really shapes the way things are leading to. We are already sitting in March, and I already have signed few projects. I have so many travel plans. In the last 6 months, if I tell you, I've already traveled 3 countries and 8 cities.
That's great.
Yeah, but then it comes with a lot of, fixing your time, making things work. But yes, I'm loving whatever comes by my way.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you so much for
having me.
having
It
me.
was a pleasure talking to you.
Thank you so much.
For more such interviews, stay tuned to AFT 24/7.